Kiran sir?
I am there, Vibin.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We are waiting for your training. Now we are directly coming to training your training session. We are waiting.
Yeah, Vibin.
Ah.
Once again, thank you very much for inviting me for this
Yes,
platform of Zoom
thank you,
meeting.
nothing. Okay.
Okay, first and foremost, I would like to thank.
Dhananjayan sir, on the mute aguta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most important, I want to congratulate Shadab Cholayal sir. Super presentation. Okay, leaders don't they just don't talk, they just do it. They just do and show. The real leaders are the people who do the effective presentation. See, network marketing, so see, before that, Chandramohan sir, Prakash sir, and Jasil KP and Anish G. And I don't know who is this Vivo 1610, and Dhananjayan sir. See, Vibin, training is a very big word. You see, there are some people who are very experienced than me, okay, and also elderly to my age, okay. And there are some youngsters, they are also very fast today. Technology, so they have lots of knowledge. So I would say this is not a training. I will just share my experiences.
Yeah. We need that.
Okay. Share my experiences with utmost respect to each one of you here. I think most of you are from Kerala, and in India, Kerala is considered to be the motherland for network marketing business. Kerala has produced lots of leaders, lots of earners, lots of performers. So, what I would like to share is few important things. A process what is there in network marketing. My language is okay with all of because we have to manage with
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മനസ്സിലാവണല്ലേ സാറിന്റെ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലാവുന്ന രീതിയിൽ തന്നെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും
Yes sir, continue please.
Simple English. Okay.
Simple English. I will take few minutes of all of you. Okay, there are so many things, people call it training, coaching. Some people have become mentors. Network marketing business, as far as what I have learned from my gurus and my mentors or my uplines, this is my third company. I came to this industry in the year 2001. Okay, I was in a Bombay-based Indian company, and in that company, whatever I learned, whatever I, in 9 months, I became Crorepati in that business. I was young, even now I am young, but then at that point of time, when I came into the business, what helped me to make lots of money? See, one thing we will agree, all of us, we will agree that we joined this business to make lots of money. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we joined to make lots of money. Number two, we didn't wanted a boss above us. Correct or not?
Okay.
We wanted to be our own boss. We wanted time freedom. See, in the last 18 years or 19 years, what I enjoyed, you see, I made few crores in this business, but I will tell you one thing. The biggest thing what I achieved in this business is I achieved time freedom. Today, since last 18 years, I don't have to report anybody. Okay, I don't have to report anybody. My time is my own time, and I work in my own free time. Now, apart from that, the most biggest thing is, see, today even we've been asked me to come to this meeting, and you are looking up to me that if I can train you all or share my experiences, you also can become big achievers, more bigger than me. You can become big earners. So third most important reason why we join network marketing business is to become a role model. Correct or not?
Okay.
So we join this business to become a role model. Now see, these three things, okay, are the main reasons why we join this business. Okay, number one, we want to be our own boss. We don't want anybody to boss us. Like the first slide, what Mr. Shadab Cholayal showed, the left side of the quadrant and the right side of the quadrant, the employee quadrant and the self-employed quadrant, and the other side was the businessman quadrant. Businessman means we want to own time, we want to work with a team, we want to build our network so that money and time works for us. This is the biggest advantage of network marketing businesses: leverage income and passive income. I hope you all agree with these are basic. Now what happens down the line, I have noticed this. People join this business, but the most important thing is This is business. This is not job. We have been trained from long time. Not even me or for my father or my even my grandfather. They were all taught. Our education system teaches people how to catch a job. So we are from the childhood given a knowledge of how to catch a job, or what happens. It's become our habit that mind is, see, we always tell in this business, you set your mind. Mindset is very important. Mindset is very important. It doesn't mean that we are not having any mindset. We have a mindset that is towards job. So what I have observed is many times, even I was facing the same problem. When we came to business, we still are applying the process what is available in the job. Job is all about a following attitude, whereas business is all about a leader's activity. So there is a process, like, any system, there is a process. If you take education, then we go to KG school, then kindergarten, lower kindergarten, then upper kindergarten, first standard, second standard. So anything for that matter, like if you go for a job, then you join a smaller level, then you join the managerial level, then slowly you go up the ladder. So there is a process for everything, for anything in this world. Anything which is a profession will have a process. Same way today, network marketing, which is accepted in almost around many universities in the world, has got an education, has got a process. So I will be sharing that process with you. Okay. I hope I'm not fast. I'm going slowly. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All are
sir.
okay. Okay.
Okay, okay.
See, there are so many ways to do anything. But my success or my achievements in this industry, why it was happening, it is happening and will be happening forever. The main reason for this is 8 basic building blocks. If you want to write it down with a pen and paper, it's so simple. I will explain you what it is. 8 basic building blocks. There are many methods, but the fastest method to reach network marketing success is what I'm going to share today. This is called 8 basic building blocks. There are 8 basic building blocks. The first basic building block, what we have to work is dream. 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 The only reason.
One second, sir. എല്ലാവരോടൊന്ന് പറയട്ടോ. Sir, 1 second. എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിലും നന്നായിട്ടോ. സാറിന്റെ ഈ നമുക്ക് നല്ല ഉപകാരപ്പെടും. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും ഒരു പേപ്പർ എടുത്തിട്ട് ഒന്ന് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതിയെടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് വെരി ഈസി ഫോർ us. Okay, continue, sir.
The most important basic, there are 8 basic building blocks. I think Chandramohan sir is there. Yeah, okay. It's very simple, I follow this day. I mean, this is into my nerves. It's into my, blood. Okay. If anybody wakes me up at 3 o'clock in the morning, or let us say at 12 o'clock midnight, or any time, I may be sleeping. If I get up, I will talk about these 8 basic building blocks. And I have seen my success or my achievement, whatever success is happening, or I know the top 100 networkers in the world who have achieved everything in their life. The more they apply these 8 basic building blocks, in some companies, they make it 7 or 6, but end of the day, I feel there is 8 process. If anyone follows this 8 process, I am sure over a period of time, definitely you'll see massive success in your business. Okay, let me help you with the first basic building block is dream. See, from the times, if you see any big achiever, no matter if it is Amitabh Bachchan, or in your place, you can see Mohanlal, Mammootty. There are great actors. There are cricketers. There are lots of film stars. There are lots of ministers. They all had a dream. Without a dream, nothing is going to happen. See, I am speaking about 8 basic building blocks. No? If you follow the remaining 7, I will tell you. But if you follow those 7 and if you don't apply this first basic building block, okay, dream, definitely it's not going to happen. I have seen many people, they show the plan every day. They have good product knowledge. They have all the skills of recruitment. They have all the skills of, the product knowledge. They know the company. they know how to bring people into the business, but some people, they don't know what they want in life. If we don't know what we want in life, see, it's like this. If I don't know what I want, then why am I doing this? So I want you to ask all of you, I want to ask yourself, what is your dream? Or maybe I can put it in this way. Maybe when you are in the second standard, third standard, okay. See, this part, no, is mostly ignored. The dream part is mostly ignored because over a period of time, as we grew up, when we come to this world, after the college, after the university, once we get into this world, somewhere we tend to forget our dreams. Okay. Now, if I ask you, what is the thing which is motivating you or taking you in the next 5 years where you want to be? If we don't know where we want to be in the next 5 years, okay, it's going to become very tough. See, doing network marketing business is easy, but if this block is not clear, if this basic building block number 1, dream. When I say dream, what is dream? This is a very sensitive thing. We all have dreams. If I ask you, so many people will say, I joined network marketing business to make lots of money. Okay. So the dream is not definite. If you're just telling me your dream without setting a goal to it, if there is no compelling reason, if there is no purpose, then it is a wish. It is not a dream. Dream means at any cost in the next 2 or 3 years, I want it. Okay. Maybe, what happens when our mind is not childlike, when we are mature now, we start thinking it's difficult to achieve in our life. But believe me, when you were in 4th standard or 5th standard or 6th standard, when you were having a very simple mind, not complicated mind, you wanted everything in your life. Yes or no? We all wanted, we were never even fearing what we want. So the biggest thing today is we are, the whole industry, this network marketing industry, whoever is successful, this industry itself is for people who are dreamers. Okay. Your dream is the driving force. Your dream is the driving force to where you want to be. So today I want you to do this thing. You take a piece of paper. Okay. Write down your 10 most important dreams. Okay. It may be how much money you want. See, money is a media to achieve your dream. Okay. So if you ask me, I would suggest you to write down your 10 dreams. Maybe, so many people, the first dream would be they want to clear all the debts. Maybe at this point of time, in our life, maybe, 95% of the people, okay, they want to, if you ask them, they will tell you from their heart, I want to clear the loans. Maybe not your loan, or their parents would have created some loan. Say, they want to come out of the loan. The most important, second important dream what people have is they want to have their own house. They don't want to live in a loan house, or they don't want to live in the rented house. Now, then comes their education of their kids. You see, then the next one is they want to maintain a good bank balance. Okay. Now, next one comes everybody in the world, they want to have a good luxurious car, So we have to at least write down 10 dreams. Maybe your dream, some people say, I don't have a dream, but let's say your son has got a dream. That's your family's dream. Maybe your wife has got some dreams. That's your family's dream. So maybe, in your family, your parents have some dream. They want to get something from you. Maybe that could become a dream. See, a man without a dream is a dead man walking. Without dream, it's very difficult to achieve anything. This basic building block is a very sensitive basic building block. But if this is not clear, if you don't know where you want to go, by what time you want to go, with which vehicle you want to go, at what speed you want to go, okay, by when you want to go, then the journey becomes difficult. This is a journey. Success is a journey. There is a destination. Once you achieve that, then the next destination. So the most important aspect of the moment you join the business, maybe some of you would have joined with compulsion. Maybe some of you would have joined with obligation. Maybe, lots of people are joining today because they have lost jobs or their businesses are not doing good. But I suggest you, each one of you here, the first thing what we have to do is start dreaming. A good dreamer will become a good networker. A good networker with big dreams can drive a huge team. Okay. A team of a huge network of dreamers can really make you successful. So the first basic building block, dream. Dream is very important. Dream means, the abbreviation of dream is divine revolution. It's actually a revolution. Divine revolution, empowering a man and a woman. Divine revolution, empowering a man and a woman. See, when I joined this business, my upline, the first few questions what he asked me, he told me that there is a business which I want you to join. Then I told him, please show me the plan. He said, see, before showing the plan, I want to know few things. He asked me, I was getting irritated when he asked me, what is your dream? In the next 5 years, where do you want to see yourself? Because at that particular point of time, I was young and I was doing something and we got busy, our time got invested in few things. I forgot my dreams. But when he asked me this question, it shook me. He asked me, wherever you are today, from here, where do you want to go? In the next 5 years, where do you see yourself? Okay, this question shook me. Actually, this question brought me into this business. And then he told me, if you want to make your dream income, this is the industry. The beauty of this industry is, it doesn't see your caste, it doesn't see your creed, it doesn't see your color, it doesn't see your age. If you're above 18 years, you fulfill the KYC document, this vehicle is ready for us. So this industry has given success to only people who had big dreams. Okay, so I vouch for you, dream big. See, when we are doing this business, there are so many challenges which will come across. We have to go through lots of rejections. There will be people, when I joined this business, people did not believe me. My own family, they did not believe me. My friends, they rejected me. So a big success is going to happen when we are going to go through a huge rejection. See, these are all becomes odd. There is a saying, when your dreams are big enough, the fact of life is, in this business, people are going to reject you. In this business, you're going to get repressed. You're going to fall down many times. Many people will say no to you. Many people will laugh at you. People will think you're mad. Okay. All this is a fact. But there is a saying in English, when your dreams are big enough, the facts don't count. When your dream is big, you will go through any kind of a pain. Okay. So the first basic building block, I will explain you the remaining 7 with little time what we have today. If there is no dream building, then the business building will not happen. So this business works externally. It is not it works internally. Actually, it is not outside. It is how much are you convinced with your dreams? Are you really going to achieve your dreams? To achieve your dreams, we have a vehicle, a fantastic vehicle, semi-direct products, a grand company. This company is not a Ferrari, it's a Rolls-Royce. It's a massive company. But if we are not convinced, about our business, if you want something, if you don't know what you want, then how are you going towards it? There is a saying in English, a famous German proverb, in a German proverb, what is the use of running fast in the wrong direction? Even, if you're running very fast, let us say, suppose you want to go to Kashmir. Okay, Kashmir. But you're running fast towards Kanyakumari. You will reach Kanyakumari. You will not reach Kashmir. So what is your dream? What do you want from your life? What is that? What is your compelling reason? What is your purpose? Why you want that big money? What are you going to do with that big money? Okay, this all gets summed up and it becomes your dream. So very simple, how I learned this business, I started writing my dreams. Because see, I will tell you, so many people, we are attending lots of trainings. There are lots of things available. You see lots of WhatsApp, motivational messages. You see lots of, videos. You get to learn a lot. But I'm telling you one thing, when you start writing, you actually put it in your mind. Okay. So it is not that your mind is not set. Your mind is set towards something called fear. Fear means false expectation appearing real. false expectation appearing real. Whatever we are fearing will never happen. You may be wondering, there are so many people in this business. They think, you know, this business, if you see the top leaders, the 5% or 20% people, they make huge money. Okay, they may not be very skillful. They may not be very good in English or their languages. They may not know this business completely 100%. They are not skillful, but they are successful. You know why? Because they believed in their dreams. Okay, because when you have to do action, there should be a driving force. Dream becomes a driving force. Okay, your dreams are emotional. So I would request you today, you know, or let us say whenever you find time, maybe tomorrow or day after, you know, the best thing what I did, when I went through one of the best trainings when I attended a training from our chief mentors and leaders, I came back home. It took some time. One day early morning, I got up at 4:30 in the morning. Okay, I just, you know, cleaned myself, went to the God, prayed for some time, and sat down and wrote my dreams. And believe me, what all I wrote, maybe around 60 to 70%. I look back, you know, I wrote that and I sticked it on one particular place, and I every day used to see that. I wrote so many things in it. I actually made some pictures. If you get some pictures, post it. You have to dream it. You have to get involved with it. You know, the whole world is going to say no to you, but you have to put it in your mind. Why are you working? Today, so many leaders are there. They're working, they're skillful. There are so many people who are better presenters than me. There are so many people who dress up, they are good looking. But what happens? One doubt they have. You should not doubt your dreams. You should not have the doubt on your own dreams. This area is very important. Basic building block number one. This is very sensitive. It sounds very, you know, irritating. It is very important. If you don't work, once you start putting it across, you are going to know what all you want. Maybe, you know, you write everything. See, I have written Rolls Royce. I had written a villa. I made a villa. I had written a gray color car, BMW. I achieved it. So many things, whatever I wrote, by God's grace, I got it. I am telling you frankly. I will show you, you know, once this meeting is over, I will send my dream chart, what I had written in 2002 to Vibin. He can see that Vibin, you can share it with all of them. I'm truly telling you, you might have seen this movie Secret, and you might have seen so many people talking about it, but I'm vouching for you. I'm the living example in Sami. I achieved it. There are lots of things. I will not say I was very successful, but so many of the things passionately happened in my life. Okay. I do lots of mistakes in my business, you see, but my dream, but you know, the driving force for me is what I want to achieve. See, now today, if you ask me, even today I have a dream. I have lots of conviction in the next 5 years with Dr. Majid, this kind of a platform. You know, I want to make and help lots of people, because that is also, you know, part of my success. If so many people like Vibin ji and Shadab ji and all of you are serious people, we may be very less people today, maybe around 7 and 8. This is how I started. We had 6 products. We had, you know, no income in 2001. People used to ask me, how you are going to make it? Because, you know, those times were crucial. Lots of companies had closed down. Lots of companies had got into challenges. People ask me, how are you going to do it, Kiran? But I had that very strong desire. Number one, I had a dream. Okay, I believe this industry, network marketing industry, 24/7. I was dreaming what I want. Now, the most important thing what I understood is to achieve my dream. I knew Sami Labs and the Sami Direct products are the important. I mean, are there to help me to achieve my dream. So what I did, my dream helped me to do my business 100%. See, when this area is not clear, we don't perform properly. See, what is an entrepreneur? The journey from what is a great leader, a performer, and working in an entrepreneurship program, achieving and helping people to achieve, finally he will become a leader. So great leaders are, you know, it's not me. You take for any matter, you know, I'm not saying I'm a leader, but what I would like to tell you is, if you see Mahatma Gandhi, he had a dream. He wanted to get success in terms of freedom for our country. Subhash Chandra Bose, he reached the German army. Okay, Vivekananda, or today you see biggest of the biggest dreamers. If you see Abraham Lincoln, if you see film actors Shah Rukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan, If you read Shah Rukh Khan's story, he was on a railway. He slept on the railway station, but his dreams made him a performer. A performer is a leader. A performer is a leader. Now, if you see Amitabh Bachchan, he was rejected, but he didn't give up. He wanted to become a hero. If you see Hollywood, you can see lots of, if you see the bodybuilders, if you see Sylvester Stallone, if you go and read his story. So every achiever or a successful person or a leader was a dreamer. Without this basic building block, rest all whatever we do, we are not going to get, the success. This area is very important. So the basic building block number 1, if dream is not in place, then believe me, it will start becoming difficult. Okay. So this part is clear for you. You have any questions? Before I go to the next block, please ask me. I hope my language. I am able to convey to you.
Yes,
you have
absolutely,
any,
sir.
yeah, you have any questions? You have any questions? Please ask me. Yeah, Jasil has got one question. I think Jasil has raised it. You unmute Vibin, Jasil.
Jasil, sir.
Unmute him.
Nah, that he only can do. Unmute can do.
Jasil, you have to unmute yourself. Jasil.
ജസീൽ സാറിന് എന്താ ചോദിക്കാണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, അതാണ് സാറ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. ജസീൽ സാർ. അല്ല, അത് sir, maybe he is right about what you are saying. That was
Okay. Any questions? If you have Shadab ji, Anish ji, Prakash ji, we see a man without a dream is a dead man walking. Okay. If you want to, if you don't have dreams, I am telling you, this business will become difficult. This business became difficult for so many people. In my business, I see lots of people failing. I am going to be completing 20 years in this business.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah.
I have already written about my dreams, sir.
Very good. Congratulations. But keep affirming. Keep affirming. You
Yes,
see,
yes,
in this world, there are lots of dream stealers. Be away from them. There are people who are going to say no to you. Okay. This is going to be the fact of the life. People are going to reject you. They are going to tell you, they are going to tell you you are a chain marketeer. This is what they called me. They knocked the door. My own parents did not believe that I'll be able to do this business. The biggest thing is not only dream, we have to believe in our dreams. Okay. We have to believe in our dreams. See, I want you to ask yourself one question. What is the core purpose and what is the compelling reason? See, every day you join SemiDirect. What is the compelling reason? You want lots of money. Why do you want so much money? What is the compelling reason? What is the purpose? What are you going to do with that money? When you know why, 100%, the money will come to you. You want a BMW car. If you're just telling that, then it's a wish. There is a huge difference between wish and dream. Wishing is different. Dream is different. Dream means I want it. Wishing is I may want. See, even that particular thing, there should be a goal setting. Maybe in 3 months. See, within 3 months, if somebody comes and tells me, I am going to give in the next 3 months only 7 or 8 hours, but I am going to achieve BMW car, I will not believe him. In the 3 months, maybe you can, from SemiDirect business, you can say every day I'm going to contribute 2 hours. Okay, there should be your dream should be smart. Smart means specific, measurable, attainable,
Okay.
reachable, target. Your goal, it should be specific. Maybe 3 months from now, I think Shadab ji told me he wrote his dreams. Now, the smaller dreams, by how much time you want, 6 months, what you want to achieve. Maybe you can connect it to the ranks, like, how fast you want to become gold director, how fast you want to become, maybe, ruby director, maybe diamond director, how fast you want to hit your ceiling from binary. You got the point. So your dream should be short term, 3 to 6 months, maybe within 1 year, what you want. In 1 year, let us say, suppose you want to achieve 400 pairs. From 400 pairs, you can achieve a lifetime car from our business, and you want around 20 lakh rupees of income. and every day you're ready to give 2 hours. See, there is something like, it should be time specific, it should be measurable, okay, it should be attainable. It should not be simply, if it is not attainable, then it becomes your wish. Okay, reachable, and the target you should achieve. And together, a team of dreamers are going to be the team of achievers. You got the point. See, we join this business to make big money. Alone, we can't make that big money. Okay, alone we can't achieve our dream. People who join jobs, okay, I am very straightforward. If somebody is in the job, please don't mind. Okay, job goers are not fit to dream. There is a statement: job goers are not fit to dream because they are working for their boss's dream. Okay, but in this business, there is no one who is going to promote you or demote you because you're the boss. If somebody is going to demote you, it's going to be you because you don't have dreams. If somebody is going to promote you, it's going to be you because you have dreams. Your dreams will promote and demote you. So I request all of you to maximum think about the business. See, in Kerala, I've seen lots of people earning 1 crore rupees from this business in different companies. Why not from this vehicle semi-direct? You got the point. Why not from this business semi-direct? Okay, semi-direct is a vehicle. Please understand this. Semi-direct is a vehicle which can take you towards your dream, which can make you reach the dream. But are you ready to travel with that vehicle? So this vehicle, the only fuel is your dream, your compelling reason, your purpose, your goals, your vision, your mission. What is your mission? See, so many times we know doctor's mission and vision. What is your vision for your family? What is your vision? What is that you want from this business for your family? What is your dream? What is your mom's dream? What is your dad's dream? What is your wife's dream? What is your children's dream? What is the society? Maybe, in your society, maybe in your small society, what you have. What is your dream? What do you want to do to them with your success? So without dream, nothing is going to move. For so many people, I've seen people from my last 20 years, they are doing this business, but they are not getting what they want because somewhere, they have lost hope on their own dreams. They get scared to dream. Okay, they get scared. They think, what? How will I do it? How? See, today, to achieve your dreams, it's so easy because with 11,000, anybody can join the business. See, so many people will join you. So many people will not join you, but that shouldn't bother you. Why people will join you? Why people join me? I'm telling you one simple thing. When I meet people, they know they can make out from my energy, from my vibes, from my body vibes. Not only me. If you meet Dr. Majid, you get that vibe. You meet any successful person, he will give you a vibe and energy. What is that energy? Because he's a dreamer. And dreamers will have a different energy. So that goes and connects with people. You got the point. You see, you may be wondering, marketing, selling, how you can do. It's very difficult to do marketing if you don't know what you want. If you don't know what is your dream. I hope I am talking very directly to you, all of you. Okay. I don't need thousands and 2,000 people, 10,000 people. I need this 6 people here or 7 people here. I know we can conquer the world. That's my belief. That's my dream. With these 7 strong leaders who are there here, I know we will achieve. I know we will achieve for sure. I know with Vibin, I know with Chandramohan sir, I know with Shadab sir, I know with Dhananjay sir, I know with Prakash, Anish, and all of you here. They are very important people because on a Sunday evening, you could have been with your family, but for your family, for your dreams, you're contributing your time. Okay. Leaders are dreamers. This is a very important thing what I want to tell you. Again, I'm telling you, a man without a dream is a dead man walking. Maybe whatever your age is now, maybe whatever your experiences are, some seniors, I'm requesting you, forget what happened yesterday. Tomorrow is not going. Tomorrow, what happened yesterday is not going to come back tomorrow. Today and tomorrow. Today is a new life. So many people slept. We got up. There are 4 kinds of people. There are 4 kinds of people. Who are lucky. Okay. No, sorry. There are 4 kinds of people. Number 1, people who are in the, the people who cannot achieve. Okay. There are 3, and 1 kind of a person who can achieve. The first kind of a people who are on the ICU bed. Can they do anything today? No. Number 2, people who are already in the graveyard. Can they do anything?
No.
They are already in the grave. Correct? No. Number 3, people who don't have dreams, they cannot achieve anything. You go to some people, they'll say, I don't have a dream. Then if you see, they can pay money, they can do marketing, they can do everything. God has given equipotential to everyone. But this dreaming aspect is very personal. That is going to be a war. When you are dreaming, some people, when they are like, they make a list, will write, I want Ferrari. And they themselves will say, all these many years, what did I achieve? They only start laughing that, how I will achieve. Then they strike their dream. Please don't do that. You can achieve. There are people, there is a story of KFC. He was 82. He started a company. He was a dreamer. At the age of 82, he became successful. Yes or no? There are people who at the age of 70 became successful. You take Amitabh Bachchan's story. At the age of 60, he had gone down. He had broken 60 crores, 90 crores he was down. But at that age, when people retire, but he had a dream, today he's become a star of millennium. There are so many people, you listen to you go and talk to, it's not my story I'm telling you. My story is very small, but I know I'll be very successful. I know all of you will be very successful who are listening to me. I know I will be able to inspire you, but to transpire, we can only inspire people. We can make people join the business. We can help people start the business. We can help train the people, the product knowledge. We can train the people how to do this business. But if he's not having, it's like if the horse is not thirsty or hungry, if the horse is not thirsty, you take the horse to the water, it will not drink. So same way, networkers without dream, then they start blaming this business. Actually, this business is a war between you and you. It's going to be between you and you. It's going to be between Chandramohan 1, who is outside, and Chandramohan sir inside. It's going to be Shadab Chole inside and outside. It's going to be Vibin, who is outside, and Vibin inside. See, from the last half an hour, who is talking? I am talking. No, I am not talking. You all are talking to yourself. You all are talking to yourself. That is where the whole fight is. Trust me, believe me, start believing in yourself. Start believing in your dream. Once you believe in your dream, you will start seeing success. You will first start seeing what is going to happen. Massive success is going to happen in your life. Okay. This basic building block is number 1. That is dream. I hope you understand. When your dreams are big enough, the facts don't count. The failures, the rejections, the sorrows, the pains, what you go through, it will not affect you. It will not at all affect you. If you see the greatest, bodybuilder I have seen, or any bodybuilder, the kind of pain what they go through, but then they become the world champion. The pain doesn't matter. The biggest thing, the fear of going through pain, the medicine is dream. The biggest thing is fear. To kill the fear, you should, work on your dreams. Once your dreams is set, your fear will go. Right now, many people are having fear and anxiety. Even I. Right now, we are sitting here. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. But if we have our dreams and we are working for our dreams, definitely the fear will go. All kinds of things will start visible. There are lots of knowledge available, from our downline. I learned a lot from my downlines. I learned a lot from my seniors. I've learned from my parallel line. Why? Because I had my dream. I wanted to achieve my dream. So I was ready to go through anything because my dreams are important. So the basic building block number 1 is dream. Clear? Can we move ahead to the next basic building block?
Yes, sir.
Are you still interested?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
The second basic building block, you can write it down, is commitment. When I say commitment, or when we say commitment, the commitment is not to your team, okay, not to your company. It's not the commitment which you give to your wife or children, not that commitment, or not to your upline. Nobody is here my employer, and I'm not your employee. See, you have your dreams. Basic building block number 1 is dream. You should be committed to your dream. Whatever you write, see, in this business, every day we have to commit to people. Yes or no, Vibin?
Yes, sir.
We have to commit to our people. When we start somebody in this business, we tell them, hey, join this business, we'll make you millionaire, billionaire. Correct or not? That means every word we are giving commitment in this business. Correct or not? The first commitment we have to give is to ourselves. Am I committed to myself? Because in this business, when we are giving commitment, means we have to be on time, we have to be disciplined. We are teaching people. Before teaching, are we applying to ourselves? I am going to train people. Am I ready to learn? See, today's training program is not only for you, it is for me also. You can ask me how. Why my commitment level is high, even though we are very less people today, because little drops of water make a mighty ocean. This is how it started. When I started, I was a founder member of this company. I could see nothing, but I could see my dream. And the second important aspect, what I learned from the masters of this business, commitment. Any leader, maybe your chief minister or your, any successful person is madly committed to his dreams. Yes or no? He's madly committed to his business. The first commitment is to myself. If I am not committed to myself, how can I commit to my team? Correct or not? Now the question comes, so many people, when you approach them, they will tell you, I don't want to join this business because there is lots of commitment involved. Okay. See, the dreaming is also not big thing. You can start today. The same way, commitment also. You may be thinking, when Kiran is talking about commitment, is that we are not committed or what? You are committed. So many people here, all we got married, yes or no? We all got married, yes or no? How come our marriage is successful? Because we are committed to it. Yes or no?
Yes.
There are so many people in job, they come back and tell, this is a big commitment I have to take. How can I handle people? How can I, how they fear. See, the most important, when dream and commitment is not there, we start developing fear. But I want to clarify to you, a job is a commitment, yes or no?
Yes.
Getting up early morning, what is the commitment? Go to work, come back home. Go to work, come back home. Go to work, come back. They get salary because they're committed. You got the point. Commitment is easy. The entire world, when this word comes, the most scariest word in the world is commitment. People are afraid to commit. People are afraid to commit to themselves. People will join you. But why you are not going and showing the plan? Because you are afraid he will join. How will I be committed to him? Will I be able to do this business or not? So basic building block number 1. See, that is what I am trying to do. Without basic building block number 1, basic building block number 2 will not work. So if you are a dreamer, then you can be committed. Second basic building block is very simple. You have to be 100% committed. It's like this. Vibin, don't mistake me. If you go and tell your wife, I'm only 60% committed to my, if you go and tell your wife, I'm only 60% committed to you, what will happen to your marriage? You got the point.
Yes, yes.
We have to be 100%. So same way, we have to be 100% committed to our dreams. See, you don't be committed to your, see, it's not challenging to be committed to your team. It's challenging to be committed to yourself. Ask yourself one question. We always blame the entire system, entire country, our management, our government, our parents also we sometimes abuse. Yes or no? We even abuse the God because we are not getting what we want. Yes or no? But ask yourself, who is the biggest problem? We are the biggest problem. We are trying to solve the entire world. If we solve ourselves, if we are determined, we are committed, and we start from fresh. Okay. Let today be the new day. Whatever happened till yesterday or the last minute or last second, it's okay. But God has given the power to change our mind. Do you know that? God has given the power to us to be dreaming. God has given us the power to be committed. We can commit. Animals cannot commit. Can an animal commit? They are also emotional beings. But why did God give us brain? Train to dream. When I say dream, it is not what you sleep in the night and when snoring you dream. When you're walking, when a Skoda car, I mean, let's say BMW goes in front of you, what do you feel? I want it. That is wish. I want it at any cost. You got the point?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
I want it at any cost is the commitment. It's same way. It's same way like how you're committed to your wife. You have to be committed to your business. When you're 100% committed to your business, why will you see? You can learn. See, what the biggest problem to see? Many people say you have to learn this. The learning is not the problem in this business. What is happening? This is my mobile phone. Okay, this is 128 GB. If this is 128 GB, okay, can I put 129 into this?
No.
Hmm?
No.
No. If it is 128.5, can we add another 0.5 in it? It won't take. If it is 128, how this will function? Slowly.
Yeah.
It gets stuck. If it is 127, 126, it will hang. What is happening to us is the same thing. We have lots of information and we think that is knowledge. See this basic building block, 8 basic building blocks. No, today I will tell you whatever you know, whatever people have trained you till now, just remove that and it's garbage. You just put it. Whatever network marketing you have done till day, it's okay. You did not get results, it's okay. You have got results, congratulations to you. But if you start fresh, the number one dream, and if you are committed to your business, you don't have to bother who is going to join you, who's not going to join you. You have to be committed that I have a dream and I will achieve my dream. Maybe as an Indian, I will help you more comfortably. See, we are all thinking we want this much, that much and all. No. As an Indian, I will help you how to dream also. I will simplify it. See, today, if you have 1 crore rupees, okay, 1 crore rupees, you can have your own house. Not loan house, own house. Okay, more than own house, I will say own home. You can get a house for 50, 60 lakhs. Okay. What is the difference? In English, there is house also, there is home also. What is the difference? House means whatever you get. Home means how you want, the way you want to design. So 1 crore. If you have 1 crore bank balance, today 5 to 6% after tax deduction, every month you can make 50, 60,000. You don't have to work. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If you have 1 crore, you have a house. If you have a house, you don't have to fear because you own a piece of land that will give you lots of satisfaction and peace. You and your family have your own house. You don't have to worry about rent and you can sleep peacefully because it's your own house. Okay. Number 2, if you have 1 crore rupees in bank cash, even if your chest is 32, you'll walk like 52. Yes or no? Because you don't have to work 50, 60,000 rupees. Maybe your house expenditure 20, 30, 20, another 10,000 rupees. You are still going to save 30,000 rupees. So 2 crores. Suppose you have a daughter. Okay. You want to keep something for her in FD for her future. Maybe 1 crore. See, you don't take lots of stress. The first thing what we have to achieve is 3 crores. Should we work for 60 years till at the age of 60 to save 3 crores? Just ask yourself one question. Are you able to understand me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
3 crores earn करने के लिए, do you need 45 years, 50 years?
No, not at all.
You need 3 crore. No, this is your goal.
Yes.
This is your goal. Now, this money can make your, see, initially your own house, own car, some bank balance. This 3 crore is, first let's achieve 3 crores. Is it difficult to achieve in semi-direct? Not at all. The whole thing is you should have a dream and you should be committed.
Yes.
You should be committed to yourself. So basic building block number 2 is commitment.
Okay.
Clear? If see, I don't work with people who are not committed. I don't invest my time. I don't invest my time with people who are not committed. There are thousands of people who will join me. But believe me, Vipin has been following up with me like anything. And I can see he's a dreamer. I can see his commitment level is very high. Just see, he's bought this ID. No matter what is happening in the world, he's not worried. He's passionate about not semi-direct. See, we have a big misconception. We are not passionate about semi-direct. We are passionate about our dream. That's why we are working in semi-direct. We are not committed to semi-direct. We are committed to our dreams. We are committed to our commitments. We are committed to our dreams. We are committed to our responsibilities. And the fastest vehicle today, which can take to my dream, is semi-direct business. So basic building block number 2. So the number 1 basic building block is dream. Number 2 is commitment. Clear?
Yes.
So see, if you meet in your team, if people are going to start in your team, within 48 hours, you do this basic building block. See, you can do it from your heart. Don't worry, don't fear. I will make it very simple for you. Basic building block number 2 is commitment. Number 3 is called list making. So now you have the dream. Now you are committed. Once you are committed, I think there are some.
Yes, sir. I'll meet. Yes, sir. Continue.
So the fuel is in, the vehicle is ready, and you're committed to drive this vehicle, and this is your journey. So now what is the next thing to add to this? The third basic building block is list making. So many people have failed in this business, not because of their upline, not because of their downlines, not because of the company, not because of the product. They failed because they were not able to dream, they were not committed, and they did not make the list. Okay. If you see in Asia, especially Asian countries, any small event, any birthday party or a function in your house, we easily put around 300 to 400, 500, 600 names. In, let's say in Kerala also, very thickly cultural, Kerala is a very communist kind of a state. Sorry, you know, if I'm coming directly to you. You see lots of cultures, okay. Everything is celebrated from Diwali, Ramzan. So it's very cultural society. Believe me, if there is a small function, don't you invite 300, 400 people for one small program. If there is a birthday, okay, let's say somebody gets a job, he will give party to at least 50 people. Yes or no? Okay. Why then in this business, people fail to make the list? They will tell me it is in the phone. They will absurdly call. You have to really take a piece of paper in a diary. You have to make a list. Number 1 list, you know, your family. No problem. They're going to reject you. You're going to achieve. Don't worry. But you have to complete that presentation. Your family, your friends, your relatives, no matter whoever it is. See, when there is a function in your house, okay, you definitely will invite everyone. Though there is no business, you want their blessings. See, take it from me. Sometimes in the business, when you start, some people reject you. Take it as a blessing. It's like, you know, when you start a business, let's say you start a cloth business, you will invite your family. Okay. They come and you give them sweets and you greet them. They greet you. Actually, why do you invite all of them? Because they come and bless you. They will not come every day to your shop and buy clothes. They may not come for all the festivals, but on day 1 they come. So rejection is a blessing actually. If somebody is rejecting you, he's blessing you. Or maybe it's for you to look into the mirror that what did you do wrong that he rejected you? Actually, nobody can reject you. This business, you are the giver. You are the giver. And how come the taker is rejecting you? That means we have to work internally. That means our dreams are not in place or we are not committed. Got the point? So make a list of at least 300 people. If it's your daughter's marriage or your sister's marriage, okay, what do? You make list according to 3 parameters. Number 1, hot contacts. This is like your mausi, your mama. You don't want to miss them. Then in this business, when you're a giver, you know this business is going to help people achieve their dreams. Why are you fearing? You have to make a list and show them the plan. Or you, to your relatives, you have to emotionally show them what you're going to do. No matter they join, don't join. But you try to tell them, see, people will look into 2 aspects in semi-direct. Number 1, the wealth part. Number two, the health part. Maybe your relatives and friends are interested in the health. Why don't you show the health to them? You got the point. So your list should be divided into three parts. Number one is hot. Hot are the people who trust you, who join you immediately. They believe you. Vibin has started the business. I should join you. There are people. There are second people. They may not join you immediately, but they will ask you lots of questions. These are your warm contacts. It's same. See, if it is your a very important function in your my voice is echoing. Yeah, if there is a very important marriage in your house, okay, you will definitely call hot, warm. And then the cold, people whom you meet in business or on a daily life. So you have to keep making the list. The list should be, it cannot be like a fountain. The list should keep on adding. You should have a friendship attitude. First friends, then business. Anybody you meet, you don't have to jump on them. You got the point. Let them be in the list first, and then you follow up with them. So the third most important thing, basic building block number 3 is list. Don't write it in some paper. Don't tell me it's in your mobile phone. Make a list. Anybody whom you want to show the plan should be on the list. So you approach your hot contacts. Today, go back and start thinking. If there is a marriage in your house, whom all you will call. Okay, you will get the hot contact, warm contacts. On a daily basis, whomever you meet, they are your cold contacts. And to start with, your list should have 300 people. And with friendship attitude, you can keep on increasing your list. See, if you develop an attitude of friendship and develop an attitude of giver, this business becomes easy. Got the point? If you have developed the attitude of a giver, okay, and if you have developed the attitude that for me, friendship is important than business, this business you don't have to worry. The business aspect is one part of it. It will happen by itself. Are you in? Third basic building block is clear?
Yes.
See, once the people join the list, so you have a dream, you have committed to this business, now you have the list ready. Now the fourth basic building block is very important. They are in the list, but how will they know? Until unless you call them. See, there are so many things, okay? But the best thing, if you ask me, yeah, in the digital media, you can meet people, you can greet people, but collect their phone number. And with your dream, with your commitment, with the list in the name, with utmost vibrance, call them up and talk to them with lots of energy. The fourth basic building block is contact and invite. So once the list is ready, how will they know? You have to contact and invite them. Clear? So the best method, what I know, is invite them to a meeting like this Zoom meeting. Okay, this is a small training program which has got, it was actually a BOP, but we have converted into a training program. But you invite them for a BOP. You know, I would suggest you, once you make a list, you know, make calls every day. When I started this business, I wanted everybody nearby to me, my dear ones, I did not spare anyone. Even today, I am hunting for people. I am hunting because, you know what, I have a dream. My company can help people to achieve their dreams. So I don't hesitate to talk to anybody, my team or our team. See, I am in Kerala. How did I reach Kerala? I don't know the language. In my dream got me to you. I wanted to achieve my dreams at any cost. My commitment level is high. Why are we even talking like this now? A serious discussion why we are doing towards success, financial management and health management, because the dreams was big. Okay, now it's almost 10 years. It's going to be 10 years. See the power of a dream. So once you are ready with your list, you have to contact and invite them. See, now this contact and invite is little bit, you know, you can't just call people and say, come on, I'll make you a millionaire. Please ask them, what are their dreams? Okay. Over a phone call, fix an appointment for the business. You can tell them that I am in a distribution channel of health. You know, I become a consultant with a health company. Okay. And they have the complete rights, you know, even patents about our company. Give a little bit brief introduction, but don't share everything over the phone. Okay. You just keep them curious. Don't tell the name of the company. Maybe they would have heard about the company, but have they seen your presentation? You got the point. They might have heard the name, but have they gone in detail? So you're the professional networker. You're going to explain them in detail. Over the phone, don't describe everything. Bring them on a meeting like this, or personally meet them, or a home meeting, or the BOP. See, now slowly everything is opening up. So we can be able to do home meetings. Then maybe, we can start with the BOPs again. But meanwhile, you can start inviting them to this meeting. Maybe Webin, or even I am very eager to show the plan to people. Got the point? This is the fourth basic building block. Okay, I mean, because of time constraint, I'm not going to in detail. But you all are smart. you all are. I'm giving you the way. Now, the fifth basic building block. Okay. See, the first basic building block, again, I'm repeating, dream. You should have a big dream. So when I say dream, don't dream small, dream big. When I say commitments, second basic building block, it's not commitment, it's a strong commitment. It's not an ordinary commitment. You are going to take a strong commitment. Okay. When you are making a list, make a very, very big list. Start with 200, 300, but keep on increasing the list. The list is the funnel. The list is the funnel. Whomever you meet, you just ask them this question: where are you going? Where are you going to be in the next 3 years or 5 years? Have you planned your life financially, your health? Okay. When you sit down with them as a friend, they will tell you. Now, slowly after that, you tell them, I am into a business where I can help you. You got the point? Clear? Everything clear?
Yes.
The most important presentation, fifth basic building block. Now, Vibin, do you know why we call it a presentation? Actually, when I was small, when we were going to any family function like birthday, or let us say a marriage, we used to carry presentation. Presentation is something which you give, not take. Yes or no? So when you are giving a presentation, let's say all of us have done on our, we do, even still we do. We go to some marriage, sometimes, or for birthday parties, or for our loved ones, we give some gift. How do we give the gift? Let us say, I want to give this mug to my friend. Will I just go and give the mug like this? What do I do? I will put a nice wrapper. Okay, then I will put the card. Then I will write best wishes, then give. So what is a wrapper? See, this is Sammy Direct. Okay. What is a wrapper? It's professionalism. Okay. And why do we put the card? Effectiveness. Whatever we do, we should be effective. It's not just showing the plan. We have to show an effective presentation, business presentation. The effective presentation is profile, product, plan, then, projections. How much money they can make, how to do this business. You give the projections. Yes or no? Profile, product, plan, potential, and what is the projection? Different projections. Okay. But keep it simple. Okay. Now, when you're presenting the plan, don't be ultra professional with your friends, with your family. Maybe with your cold contacts, you can be professional. Okay. There are some people I've seen, already is a millionaire. If you go and tell him, I will make you a millionaire, he will get offended. So you can tell him, sir, when your contact invite, then you can, when you're doing contact and invite, you can tell him, sir, I have a business opportunity, but I am too young. I don't know, if you can help me, I want to make a decision, but with your guidance, can I? Now you got him for the presentation. You got to see, if I have to tell you very simple, you have to be like a tailor. A tailor, no, he will not stitch same measurement clothes to everyone. Every measurement is different. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the first 4 you do. The 5th one, the newcomers, please, you don't do the presentation. At least 3 or 4 take support of your upline. But don't completely depend on your upline, because if you don't show the plan, see, the 5th basic building block is also one of the main reasons why people fail in network marketing. What they do, they depend on their upline to show the plan. Okay. Now there are times, you know what happens? You fix the content, it's your list, your dream, your commitment, your prospect, and you are waiting for your upline. And let's say that day your upline don't turn up. What happens? So learn how to do effective presentation. This is one of the most important basic building block. Initially, you can take support from your upline. They will teach you how to do different presentations. Okay. So basic building block number 5 is effective presentation. Give an effective presentation to your list. Clear? We can move on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Move.
Now next, the moment you present the plan, see, all this happened with us also. We were shown the plan. Did we join immediately? No. We asked lots of questions. Yes or no? So the major, again, the 6th basic building block is follow up and handle objections. Follow up, follow through, handle objections. See, the moment you present the plan, the person who is listening to the plan or your prospect, he will ask lots of questions. It's his rights to ask the question because he's going to make that strong decision to join the business. Clear or no? A person who is going to invest money with you, a person who is going to invest his dream with you and your company, with your team, has got all the rights to ask you a number of questions. He will ask you lots of questions. So now, to do handle objections, the most important thing is you should know your company. You should know each and everything in your company. What is semi-direct? What are the products? What is the profile? Okay, what is the plan? Knowledge is important. Maybe not be 100%. Yes, there will be your uplines. But when you're doing follow-up and when you're doing, see, following up 60% to 70%, don't follow up. Sometimes the best logins happen after the 3rd or 4th follow-up or the 5th follow-up. Following up and handling objections. People, see, they just show the plan and then the person who has come there, maybe he's saying no because he might have not got proper information. It's our duty to call back him and ask him, what happened? You saw the presentation. What is stopping you to make the decision? Now, when you clearly ask him, why are you not making decision? He will tell you his objections. Now, once you handle the objections, okay, then there is nothing to be fearing. So you should know each and everything about your business. It's like your vehicle. Today, you know in your vehicle, don't we all know in our house, where is what? We know what is there in the bathroom. We know what is there in the kitchen. Don't you know what is your, see, whatever, wherever your clothes are, same way you should know your business. Yes or no? Clear or no? We should know our business. So follow up and handle objection. Once you show presentation, following up and handling objections. Why people fail to handle objections and follow up? Because they don't learn and unlearn. Like I told you, this mobile phone, we can put 128. We can't put more than that. We have to keep it 20. Remove all that what you know about. Now today, once your dream is in place, you are committed, you're making your list, you're contacting, inviting in people, you're showing presentation, means you should spend lots of time every day, maybe around half an hour time, maybe with your seniors or on the website. You just go, today it's handphone. You can go keep clicking about the ingredients, about Sammy Labs, about Dr. Majid, about the plan. Go and study the plan twice or thrice. You start sometimes showing the plan to your family members, start showing the plan to your wife, no problem. You do mistakes. Once you do mistakes, that mistake will motivate you to do it in the right way. So find out that right way. Initially, again, basic building block number 5 and basic building block number 6, the newcomers who are in the business, take support of your uplines. They are experienced. Now take support of Vipin, take support of Shadabji, take the senior leader support. They will help you how to present the plan. And they will, they will know how to handle the objections. Also, parallelly, you start learning. So, basic building block number 6 is follow up and handle objections. Clear? Now, the basic building block number 7. The most important thing. Again, see, all these 7 or 8 basic building blocks are important. You got the point? The 7th one is planning and strategy. Planning and strategy. The biggest reason we all Don't do planning. See, today we've been to organize this meeting. Yesterday, day before only, from last Wednesday, he was asking me, sir, can we plan a meeting at 4 o'clock? I will invite my leaders. Okay, that's his dedication. So planning, and he was strategizing. From yesterday, he was asking me, sir, what we will do for our team? What training we can do for our team? So when I say planning and strategy, see, nothing is happening. See, let's say suppose you want to go and bring, you might have decided tomorrow morning you want to get up and go and bring the milk. So actually you're planning now. Tomorrow morning, it is a strategy. Our life, we don't know, but we do planning in everything. Even the kitchen, the housewife is planning. Even your kids, tomorrow morning, they want to go to school, they plan. Uniform is ready, the clothes are ready. Even if somebody is going for a job, there is a planning. Why people fail to plan in network marketing? You should plan your business. You should plan your business with your upline and downlines also. And the new prospects also. You should plan with them. Clear? So planning and strategizing is the basic building block number 7. The basic building block number 8. Okay. The basic building block number 8 is duplication. Network marketing business is an easy business complicated by people. Got the point? It's the most easiest business. I'll ask you one question. What is the most easiest thing in life? Getting up early morning and going and seeing the sunrise. Yes or no? What is the most difficult thing in the life? Getting up early morning and going and seeing the sunrise. You got the point?
Yes.
Duplication. Don't do anything in your business which is not going to get duplicated. So duplication in this business, people call many names. The 8 basic building block, they also call teaching or training. Why we do teaching? Why do we do training? Why do we do sharing? See, don't do anything. Don't complicate this business for yourself and your family, and not even for the new people. The main reason why people are afraid to join this business is people show it in a very complicated way. People complicate this business. Why many teams, there are people who start the business, they have 200, 300 joinings, and after that, nothing happens because they don't focus on duplication. Now, how duplication will happen? Through education. Like what we are doing today, education is very important. Okay. And empowerment. See, we all don't have many skills, but we all have something good in us. Okay. Negativity is one of the main reasons why duplication don't happen. Okay. Dictatorship. Now I'm the upline, you're my downline. You bring people, I will show the plan. No, not that. Practice what you preach. Okay. Duplication is very important. Don't do anything which you can't duplicate. Maybe when you're showing plan also, show a plan which can be duplicated. See, sometimes I've seen lots of people, they show the plan for their satisfaction. They're feeling good about showing that presentation plan. But is it duplicable? Give one thought to yourself. Whatever you do, see, God has given us one great thing. You know what it is? Do you know what God has given us? One great thing what God has given us. Sense, common sense. God has given us 5 senses. See, smell, touch and feel, think. But one of the major things is common sense. If common sense doesn't work, okay, what is the use of the remaining sense? You got the point. When you're teaching, okay, first learn. First is not teaching. So many people in this business I have seen, they love teaching, they love advising. They don't like doing. They don't like practicing. Great leaders, if you see in our country, see, Amitabh Bachchan is very successful. He's got a hell lot of money. Shah Rukh Khan has made lots of money. Mammootty and Mohanlal made lots of money. Lots of sports people. All they are, today they are sitting in their house and sleeping. Even today they are working. Work only works. Duplication is going to happen when people see you working, people see you training, people see you presenting, people see you making lists. People see you determined. People see you extraordinary. People see you doing activity. People, when they see you performing, they will duplicate. Yes or no? Okay. So the whole concept of this business is you have to be alive. This business is not for dead people. This business is for dreamers. This business is for people who are committed. This business is for people who can make the list. This business is for people who are ready to make that contact and invite those who are not afraid to take the call and call them and tell them, I'm joined the biggest business in the world and I want to share the information with you so that your life also can become better. Now, people who are not afraid to make effective presentation. Some people I've seen, many people, even I used to be doing like this, but I learned it the hard way. You know, I did mistakes. Then I learned, show the plan. Show the plan. See, never show the plan from here. Show the plan from here. From here. Whatever you do in network marketing, do it from here. I don't show the plan from here. I show the plan from here. Showing from here is difficult, but showing from here is easy. You got the point? Showing from here is very difficult because this is analytical. Heart doesn't think, it will just give. So do the plan from here. Don't do this business from here. This business will not work if you do from here. This will make you analytical. When you're writing list only, you're thinking, believe, do or not, he will not do. You don't decide for him. You got the point? When people are making lists, they will write Vipin, where he is going to do the business. They are only making his own decision. You have to contact, invite. See, it's like this. He might know network marketing. He might have joined a company. Okay. But has he seen your presentation? Has he seen our company presentation? Has he seen how our team works? No. So for him, it's going to be an experience. You don't decide for others. You make your decision. You work for your family. You work for your dream. You are not here to convince people. You are not in here to transfer for you, just inspire people. Our job is to give them right education. Our job is to empower a weak person. Even a dead man joins our team, he should multiply. He should duplicate. You got the point? We are networkers. We are Samians. If anybody comes close to us, he should become a dreamer. He should become a Samian. Because for Samian in this world, it's easy to make crores of rupees. Why one has to become a Samian? Why one has to become join semi-direct? Because his life is going to become better. He's going to become rich. He's going to enjoy all the luxuries of his life. So the most important thing is follow this 8 basic building blocks. This is the secret of network marketing. Once anybody joins the business, once starts the business, within 48 hours, within this training has to be duplicated. See, it's a process. Dream, commitment, list making, contact invite, presentation, follow up and handle objections, strategy and planning, and duplication. This process is very important. Don't try to convince people. You get convinced. In this world, the war is not outside. The war is inside.
Meeting.
Don't try to convince others. You get convinced. Yes, this is the method. This is the process. This is an industry. In this industry, this is the process and protocol which I have to follow. Okay, I'm a leader. I'm not a follower. For some days, I will be with my upline. My upline is also a human being. I can't be completely dependent on him. You have to become independent. How we can create independent distributors in our team? When we start educating and empowering them. Anybody and everybody. See, this method of teaching helped me a lot. This method of sharing, more than training, I will call it sharing. Okay, I cannot train people. I cannot train people. I don't have that ability to train. Some people are elders, they have more experience in life. Some of them are youngsters. They have more technical side. They're smart. Okay. I can't train people, but I can share my experiences. So whatever I shared today is a basic, knowledge about this business. And if you ask me, these are the 8 pillars of this business. Okay. These are the 8 pillars of this business. Anybody who will follow this 8 process, okay, will not have fear. He will have lots of guts to do this business in a big way. Okay. So the whole concept is we have to now start getting into the education mode. We have to start getting into empowerment mode. And the most important thing, edification. Let it be your upline, let it be your company, let it be your downlines. Nobody is small, nobody is big. Nobody knows everything. Nobody knows everything. We all have some quality. We have got some leadership. The leader is inside. So help your people to bring their leadership, to help them. You empower them, you educate them, you edify them. The leadership in them will come out and they will perform for their family. When they are performing for their family, you are going to encash the passive income because you made it possible for them. You inspired them. So it's a very legal way of understanding. This is the whole concept of network marketing works like this. This is professional network marketing. Okay. This is the way I've been doing this business. This is what I know. You wake me up in the night, you wake me up in the morning, anytime. Okay. Even if I'm tired, I'll be able to do this because this is easy to do. Don't complicate this business. You got the point. So I want to, I want to tell you that these are the main 8 basic building blocks. Now, if you have any questions, please ask me, all of you.
Hello. എന്തായാലും നല്ല അടിപൊളി പ്രോഗ്രാം അല്ലേ? ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ഇപ്പൊ അടിപൊളി എന്നൊന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റാത്തൊരു ഇതാണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് അറിയില്ല അങ്ങനെ പറയാനൊന്നുമില്ല. ഫണ്ടാസ്റ്റിക്.
No, it was very informative and inspirable. Yes.
Okay. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഓരോരുത്തര് അവർക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചോദിക്കാനോ എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇന്നത്തെ ട്രെയിനിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായം എന്താണോ അതൊന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം.
Once you start doing this in Malayalam. Hello.
What? No, they will talk in English.
Yeah, what I'm telling you, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
I did this program in English. I will do twice or thrice, but I'm very confident here. You can catch my language.
Yes, we are absolutely caught.
Oh, your English is so simple, sir.
We can understand.
Oh, there is no any
nice
difficult
English.
to understand.
Nice English.
Start doing it in Malayalam.
We will teach you Malayalam.
See, this is the process. And this helped me to be in this industry for so long.
Yes.
See, even I am a human being. Many times I got frustrated, and sometimes I felt like leaving this industry. I don't want to do network marketing. But the guts, that I know how to do this business. If the entire team collapses also, I can build the business because these 8 basic building blocks is the process. And I'm very happy today that you gave me opportunity, all of you, senior leaders, gave me opportunity to share with you. Please don't think anywhere that I have been training you. Training is a very big thing. Okay, training, I don't have the ability to train, but I have the ability to share. So I am very happy to be here. And also, happy to share my experiences, and whatever I shared with you, put it into practice. I'm telling you, you will see lots of benefits happening to your family. One thing, take control of this business. Don't be lost. Don't be confused. You see in the water, when the flowing water, you will see some wood, wood, or sometimes the branch of the, it will just keep going. So many people in network marketing, they are like a driftwood. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. You be like a tree. The tree grows, becomes a big tree, and you be the shelter for many leaders. See, we are a very thick population, 130 crore people, and people are losing jobs. People are losing a business. You tell me how we can be unsuccessful. See, when we don't know the secrets, then we are going to become unsuccessful. But we know the method. See, this is the method. No point. See, right now, today, nobody can beat us in the kind of patents what we have. Nobody can challenge us with the quality of products what we are giving. We are getting Rolls-Royce. Our products are Rolls-Royce of this industry. We are getting at the price of an Indian price. Dr. Majid's company is 30-year-old company. I bet on you, you will not get a better opportunity than this. If you want to buy Mercedes and BMW, this is the company in which you have to join. I am telling you, if you want to buy an island, you can buy a plane, provided you follow what I have told you. Put it in practice. You go mad. See, Mahatma Gandhi was mad. Mother Teresa was mad. Nelson Mandela, 27 years in jail, mad. See how people just join this business and they expect I will put one left, one right, I'll become millionaire. No, it's not going to happen. You have to madly work with people for 1 or 2 or 3 years. First work for your short term, then you work for your midterm, 1 year, then plan your 2 year and 3 year. And the plan, whatever you are planning, talk about your dreams to your team. You tell them, I am going to achieve, be with me. I will help you to achieve because I am going to achieve. If you are not going to put that energy, two energies have to come together. That will create synergy. We have to work as a team. This is like, see, today I am doing the training or the sharing. Tomorrow, Vipin, you do. 1 or 2 I will do for you. Then you have to become independent. You are not going to be the same person. Today you have some 20 people, 30 people. You can't be the same person when you have 2,000 people. People expect you to upgrade. Every day we have to keep upgrading. Okay. And the beauty of this business, it will upgrade you automatically. You don't have to worry. Okay. Right now, Sammy Direct is, our Sammy Direct company lacks leadership and education. If you put right education, within 1 year, I assure you, see, I became Chairman Club in 2 years. Even today, I am riding the biggest team in India. Biggest team, more than 2 lakh people in our team. That's because of the right education. Got the point? You have any questions, please ask me. Any doubts, clarification?
Okay, let's share our feedback or whatever you want to ask, you can ask. For me, it was fantastic and informative.
നല്ലൊരു ചാർജായി മാഷേ, നല്ല ചാർജായി.
യെസ്, ഇതാണ് നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ടീമിലുള്ള ആളുകളൊക്കെ ഇത് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരുപാട് എനർജറ്റിക് ആവുന്ന ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം ആയിരുന്നു. എന്തായാലും നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈം നമുക്ക് ഒരു 2 weeks ഒക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വീണ്ടും once again we will do this sharing. I think Kiran sir will help us.
മാഷേ കേൾക്കണ്ടോ മാഷേ?
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
നല്ലൊരു ചാർജ് ആയിരുന്നു, നല്ലൊരു ചാർജ്, വളരെ പോസിറ്റീവായി നമ്മളൊക്കെ, വളരെയധികം പോസിറ്റീവായി നമ്മൾ. അതിപ്പോ ഞാനിപ്പോ കോവിഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കാണെങ്കിൽ കൂടിയിട്ട് കുറച്ച് ദിവസം ഒരു ഗ്യാപ്പ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ ഗ്യാപ്പിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒരു കുറച്ചുകൂടി നല്ല കോൺഫിഡന്റ് ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാരണം നമ്മുടെ ആ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് കൂടി വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ.
Very good, Chandramohan.
Okay.
Kiran sir, can you understand?
Yeah, I can understand.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യട്ടെ, നമ്മുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി സാറിന്.
Give me your feedback, even if it is negative, please give me. Negative feedback is very important.
എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. എന്താണ് ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള?
Shadab Cholayal sir.
Yes, sir. It's very effective session.
Yeah.
And what is the importance of webinar? Seminar. And I heard a story when I am in North India. I was in North India. There was this is a story, but I don't know it is really a myth.
Yeah, please.
There was a plant, Nag Damayanti. And when the mongoose and snakes, when they are fought each other, mongoose got the bite of snake.
Okay.
And do you know mongoose?
Yeah.
I don't know mongoose.
Tell me.
The mongoose when mongoose got the bite from snake, and mongoose goes to lick a plant, it's called Nag Damayanti.
Okay.
When it lick, he got the energy to fight back. And he came back and start fighting, and he again got the bite from snake, and he again went to lick the Nag Damayanti. And this webinar is the same like Nag Damayanti. Because we always got bite from the negative people in our society, from our society. This webinar is just like Nag Damayanti. when we got the bite from society, negative, by negative bites, we come and attend the webinar and we get the
Energy.
Energy.
Yeah.
Mm.
Powerful.
This is
Very
my
powerful.
experience.
No, see, I'll tell you one thing. India is a land where, you know, lots of emotional people and intellect people are there. Intellect means, see, we are Indians, we are indigenous people. We are indigenous people. We are intellect and emotional people. Okay. So you tell me how we will not be number one in the world. These are the main ingredients for doing network marketing. You have to be an emotional person to understand other people's feeling. Okay. And we have to be intellects, which we are by birth. Okay. And we are very cultured and very emotionally connected family. India is a big family. Okay. So today, if you see the COVID also and Ayurveda also, everything, I'm telling you, we are blessed to be in the right place at the right time. Okay. The only thing is we have to be in the track. The biggest problem is we lose focus. We should not lose focus. Focus is the name of the game. The 8 basic building blocks. Now, next time I will teach you 7 pitfalls. And I will also train you how to build I will also train you and share with you how to build a very big empire. Maybe, you know, if you give me a chance and if you bring more and more people to this program, I will explain you what are the 7 pitfalls. Now, today I told you what is the basic building blocks. Okay. Now there are pitfalls, what you should avoid. Why people fail in this business. Today I told you how to become successful. I will tell you why people fail in network marketing and how to build a big empire. Okay.
Okay.
We'll continue this, Vipin.
Yeah.
Thank
yeah,
you very much, all of you, for giving me a great opportunity here. And I hope we will do big business in your state.
Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
I mean, like, I am very eager to be with you. Mutually, we'll help each other. Okay. Yeah. We have to work mentally. You know, work mentally. We have to, only one work is we have to be aligned. Okay. And we have to work from here with people. With people. The leaders, we have to align our mind. We have to be having same mindset. Energy, synergy. But with our people, we'll work with heart. You have any contacts anywhere in India, please refer me. One, Anish has given me a contact. I'm following up with that. I will do the needful by today night. I've already spoke to your contact, that Kadapa guy.
Oh, when, sir?
He was actually traveling by car. Then he called me late in the night.
Okay.
Okay. But then after that, I got little busy with Saturday, Sunday, and yesterday was this one, August 15th. So tomorrow morning or by today night also Sunday, leave him. Tomorrow morning or afternoon, I will call him.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. I will do the needful. Okay, Vipinji.
Okay.
I'll take leave.
Anybody want to talk? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനുണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. Otherwise, he want to leave our program. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? സംസാരിക്കാനുണ്ടോ? അപ്പോ ഇല്ല തോന്നുന്നു. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Vipin.
Yes, sir.
You have recorded this meeting, right?
Yeah.
Once you become free, you can send the file to me.
I will send.
Okay. Wish you all the best. Great success.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. I was very happy doing this program for you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You can continue the meeting.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.